Hello guys, it's your good buddy Sid here and welcome to this unusual vlog in which I am going to make an announcement about I am going to sell both of my motorcycles. First one is my Royal Enfield Classic 500 and second one which I am currently riding, this Yamaha R15 V2 Special Edition. You know, both motorcycles are so close to my heart, so you may ask me why I am selling both of them. Actually, I am not selling them because urgent need for cash, but I am looking for an upgrade. Yes, I am riding since more than a decade now, and now I think it is the best time to go for an upgrade. You know, my natural riding style is super sports, means fully committed riding position and do some lean cornerings. But I am married now, and now I need to ride with my wife as a pillion. So we need a motorcycle which is a sports tourer, and it should be fall on premium end. So before this, me and my wife used to ride together on my Royal Enfield Classic 500, but right now we need a motorcycle from sport touring category, so we can use it for Sunday rides and also long distance rides, which we are planning next year. So around my budget there are many motorcycles, so it may be Interceptor 650 or BMW G310 GS, KTM Adventure 390, Ninja 650 or Benelli TRK 502. So there are many options, but currently I don't have any idea which one I am going to pick, but I have a lot of time to think. You know, I am getting a new motorcycle at around end of this year, maybe September or October. So we have much time to think about it. But before that, I need to maintain both of my motorcycles to a good conditions, because I want to send my motorcycle to new owners in a good condition so they can enjoy from day one. So on Royal Enfield, there are much more things to do than expected. So it need to stay at the garage for at least 10 days. And this Yamaha just need a full service. Then it will be ready to rock and roll in a very loud manner. Yes, this has ProLiner full aluminum MotoGP inspired exhaust. So both motorcycle I am going to provide with stock parts, and you know, as stock as possible, so it could be fair for a new owner. Plus I am going to give you accessories too, so that you can enjoy accordingly. You know, actually I have a lot of memories with this motorcycle, so selling them could be a little bit sad moment for me, but it is time to move on. And selling this motorcycle will help me because I have two cars and three bikes, and I don't have much time to ride or drive every vehicle. So I need to sell both motorcycles and get the premium one, so that could be a better idea for time being. I'm not only upgrading my motorcycle, but entire life going to change in a positive way. So I will work harder to get a new motorcycle. I'm going to save more, so that could be a good positive change. See, I am hiding behind this rickshaw because I spotted some cops ahead. I installed a loud exhaust on this motorcycle, but I need to go to ride, so I don't need to care about it much. So now I'm going to feel the top end power of this motorcycle. So let's do some flyby. Good, I stopped this motorcycle mostly with engine braking, and because I like to hear this downshift, and it is a professional way to do brakes. Passing through this abandoned building is a unique experience. It's a windy day. You know this road so close to my home. I usually come here for a joyride twice a week. If you want to know pricing of this motorcycle, you can call. Yeah, thanks, buddy. This is a problem when you have a loud motorcycles. But okay, if you want to know how much I am expecting for both of my motorcycles, you can simply call me or message me on this number so you can get a proper idea. So don't worry, I am going to make a fair pricing for both of my motorcycles. So that's all about it today. Do subscribe to our channel and do check this playlist, A Journey Towards Upgrade. So you're definitely going to enjoy, because I'm going to put everything I'm going to do to get a new motorcycle in this playlist. So that's all about today. Catch you next time on Motologger Seed YouTube channel.